Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with IRS, and as you know, I have a lot of videos, and I like to interview people, so many of you people can kind of relate to kind of what's going on. So this is a person who helps me out where I live. He does really, really good work. And I asked him a simple question. I says, have you filed a tax return? So tell everyone your name and what you do.
My name is Juan Carlos, and I do landscaping.
And where are we at right now?
We are in Sebring.
Okay, when I asked you, have you filed a tax return yet, what did you say?
No.
And you're trying to get back in the system, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you're trying to do everything correct. Well, if you're listening to this, I just want you to know many of you haven't filed tax returns either, and you're trying to get back in the system. This guy is just really amazing. Tell people what your dream is and what your goal is.
My goal is to
look in the camera.
My goal is to own multiple businesses, become a CEO, retire my family, my parents especially.
And how old are you?
I'm 17.
He's 17 years old. It's amazing that he has this dream, but one of the problems is for many of you, you're trying to get back in the system if you don't know what to do. So what you need to do to get back in the system to file tax returns is you simply got to go to somebody who knows that system to get you back in there. So as a former IRS agent, what I would do, I would go ahead and pull his 1099s and W-2s up. For the last 2, 3, 4 years. IRS requires 6, but I don't think he's been working since he's 11. But IRS has his W-2s and 1099s, and I'd prepare his tax returns and get him back in the system. And IRS would absolutely not go after him because he's in the system. So once again, what is your ultimate dream and goal?
My main goal, retire my parents.
Is what?
Retire my parents.
Retire his parents. So what he wants to do, it's amazing. His goal is not focused on him. His goal is focused on his parents. What he wants to do is make sure that his mom and dad do not have to work as hard, and he can make enough money to support him. And so I want to tell you, of all the people I've ever talked to in my life and interviewed, I have never heard anybody say they want to retire as parents. You know, my son would probably do that. He's told me, Dad, I like it to make a lot of money. So there are 2 people. So listen, Juan, I wish you a lot of luck. Thank you, and you always want to make sure you pay your taxes. What an amazing goal. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.